In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted Instagram story on iPhone. So this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. If you need my channel, please consider subscribe and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, open Instagram on your iPhone. Just tap on. As you can see, here is a login to my Instagram account. After that, tap on the profile icon in this right bottom corner, and here is the profile, and tap on three-line menu on the top right corner, and here is showing some options, and here is your activity. Just tap on your activity. After that, as you can see, remove and archived content sections, it has recently deleted. Just tap on recently deleted, and here showing post and story, two sections, so you can restore your deleted post or deleted stories. So as you can see, here is date up to 30 days it's archived, so you can restore up to 30 days. So as you can see, this is my deleted story on my Instagram account. So for restoring, just tap on more, and as you can see, it has two options: delete or restore. You can permanently delete from here, or just tap on restore to restore this story. So tap again to restore. As you can see, this story restored to your Instagram story, like that. So as you can see, this story restored. So that way you can restore your deleted Instagram story on your iPhone. So pretty much that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next